Struggling with garment technology Viva? Top Viva questions you must prepare before exams and interviews. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Selena Nasrin and today I am going to share some of the most important fashion and garment technology Viva questions with clear and easy answers. This will help students, job seekers and anyone preparing for interviews in the garment industry. So let's begin with the first question. How many types of fabrics are available in the garment industry? There are three main types of fabrics available in the garment industry. They are classified based on how the fibers or yarns are constructed. These are woven, knitted and non-woven fabrics. Second question. What is the difference between woven, knitted and non-woven fabric? The main difference between woven, knitted and non-woven fabrics lies in their structure, production method and properties. Woven fabric. Woven fabric is made by interlacing two sets of yarns, warp and weft, at right angles on a loom. The warp runs lengthwise and the weft runs crosswise. They are produced on shuttle or modern looms, giving them a strong, stable and rigid structure. Woven fabrics are not stretchable and maintain their shape well, making them ideal for structured garments. These fabrics are easy to cut and sew, which is why they are widely used in garment production. Woven fabrics can be made from natural fibers like cotton, synthetic fibers like polyester, or a blend of both. The quality and density of a woven fabric are measured by its fabric count, expressed as inch per inch and picks per inch. Examples: plain weave like poplin or voile, twill weave like denim or gabardine, and satin weave like chameau or satin. Commonly used for shirts, trousers, suits, uniforms, upholstery and jackets. Knitted fabric. Knitted fabrics are made by interlooping yarns using needles. Soft, flexible and highly stretchable. Each loop is drawn through the previous one to create a soft and flexible structure. They are highly stretchable and comfortable, making them perfect for close-fitting garments like t-shirts, leggings and sportswear. However, knitted fabrics can shrink or wrinkle if not made properly. They dry quickly and resist wrinkling, which increases their practicality and ease of care. Knitted fabrics are mainly divided into two types: weft knitting, which includes single jersey, rib and interlock structures, and warp knitting, which includes tricot and russell fabrics. Examples: jersey, rib, interlock, tricot. Commonly used for t-shirts, sweaters, leggings, lace, sportswear and baby wear. Non-woven fabric. Made by bonding or felting fibers together using heat, pressure or chemical treatment. Non-woven fabrics are made without any weaving or knitting process. These fabrics are made directly from fibers, not yarns. They are lightweight, inexpensive and can be either disposable or durable depending on the production method. Non-woven fabrics are created using processes such as spoon bond, melt blown or needle punching. These fabrics are commonly used in technical and medical textiles due to their versatility. They are inexpensive and lightweight, often used for disposable or special purpose products such as masks, filters and sanitary items. Depending on the treatment, non-woven fabrics can also be waterproof or absorbent. Examples: felt, spoon bond, melt blown fabric, interlining. Commonly used in medical gowns, masks, filters, diapers and shopping bags. That's all for today's Viva practice. I will be back with more important garment technology questions and answers. Keep practicing, stay confident and all the best for your exams and interviews.